Well, we are in our house, and I couldn't be more happy right now at this present moment. There's a lot of changes in our schedule, but everything is coming together. So I'm Jami Gordon. I help people with selling and buying homes, Cedar Rapids, Iowa City, and the surrounding areas. And last week I did promise that we would do a tour. So fair warning, very lived in, still under construction. We had our electrician, Jeff, here until midnight last night. Thank you, Jeff. He's amazing. He did a wonderful job. Still have work to do, but we have our ceiling fans in. We have that we're up and functioning really well. My in-laws came up, so thank you so much, Bob and Karen. They came up and they helped us move stuff in, and they also Bob went out and put like 3 gallons of Roundup around our property because I keep getting poison something on my body, and it's looking pretty disgusting. I think people are starting to feel sorry for me, and I'm so very grateful. So thank you. Our plumber's coming this weekend. We should have good water. Everything is coming together, but I'm going to take you on just a little bit of a tour, and hopefully I do good with my camera here, but you'll see that I don't know if I really showed much of the trim, but Tom did such a good job. I just really love how he kind of did a different edge, and you'll see that we still have a lot of stuff around here. I have my flooring still there. We need to put some outlet covers on. So we did some different fans. We're still trying to figure out if we're going to keep this one or not, because this one kind of creates a bit of a shadow effect, and I'm not sure if I'm loving that, but we'll see what we can do to maybe tie it together or get something else. Attic space is going to be something that we will be featuring over the winter time. I'm going to be doing like an art studio. Nothing different really in the bathroom. Just really love how the hallway looks with the trim. It's just so pretty. And this flooring is awesome because it hides dirt, and I need that. We still need to get transition strips as well. Sorry, we have like piles of clothing laying around because we don't have our dresser and stuff in here yet. But the most fantastic thing about our master is waking up in the morning and we have a really good view. Now, it's a really dirty view right now because our windows really need to be cleaned, but we can see our little building out there. I don't know if you can see it, but things are coming along, and I'm just so very blessed for all of the help. So thank you, everybody. If I forgot somebody, I'm sorry. Returning a trailer today, so thanks Amy and Rob for letting us borrow that trailer. It really helped us out to be able to put our stuff somewhere for a few months, and going to be emptying that pod. Learn something about the pod service. So they do not prorate. So I could have probably had it emptied this last weekend, but that probably would have put me over the edge. But we have it until the end of the month, but it is what it is. So the reasoning for not prorating is because it's convenient. Well, so is storage. So it is what it is. But hope you enjoyed our tour. I am hoping in like 2 weeks or so, we'll have some stuff actually hung on the wall and kind of be more settled. But next week, I'm going to bring you some information about some of the updates for the real estate industry. There's a lot going on and a lot of talk about some things that are changing and some things that different companies are offering. So just wanted to highlight some things next week. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Looks like we're going to have some really nice weather, and go Hawks!